Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. It's me Farhana Bilal. Welcome to my channel FB Conceptual Study. In lecture number 3, we will learn parts of speech pronoun. Do you know what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun in a sentence. There are 7 pronouns: he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. Now, before studying pronoun in detail, first we will learn how the person is categorized. Person is divided into 3 categories: first person, second person, third person. Pronouns are divided into 2 groups: singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Singular pronoun: I, you, he, she, and it. These are singular pronouns. Plural pronouns: we, you, they. These are plural pronouns. Now we will learn about first person. The speaker is the first person. First person singular pronoun is I. First person plural pronoun is we. Now we will learn singular first person pronoun and plural first person pronoun with the help of pictures. Here you can see the teacher is standing. She is talking about herself. Which pronoun she will use for herself? Yes, she will use the pronoun I. For example, I am a teacher. Now in the second picture, look at the second picture. The teacher is talking about herself and about the students as well. So which pronoun she will use for herself and for all the students in the classroom? She will use the pronoun we. Now we will learn about second person. The listener is the second person to whom we are addressing. Second person singular pronoun is you. Second person plural pronoun is also you. Now we will learn second person singular pronoun with the help of the picture. Look at the first picture. There are 2 boys. The one is the speaker and the second one is the listener. Now speaker will use the pronoun you for the listener, as the speaker is talking to the listener face to face. So the speaker will use the pronoun you for the listener. Now look at the second one picture. We will learn second person plural pronoun with the help of picture. The teacher is the speaker and the students are the listeners. The teacher is talking to the students face to face. Which pronoun she will use for all the students? For example, she is saying, all of you listen to me carefully. So she is talking to the students face to face. She will use pronoun you for the students. So you is the pronoun which is used in both singular and plural cases. Now we will learn third person. The person about whom we are talking is called third person. Third person singular pronoun is he, she, it. Third person plural pronoun is they. Now we will learn third person singular pronoun with the help of picture. For boy, which pronoun do we use? We use he. For girl, which pronoun do we use? We use she. And for dog or for any non-living things, which pronoun do we use? We use it. Now we will learn third person plural pronoun with the help of picture. When we are talking about many people, we use pronoun they for many people. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the next videos.